Hello, welcome back to JoJo's farm. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. As you all know, the farm is going on, the extension or expansion is going on. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do us a favor and hit the subscription button and also the notification button so that when we share anything, you'll be the first to know. Leave us a comment here and there if there is anything that you can advise us on. Guys, give us a shout. Thank you once again. Like we said, the beginning of the year that we're gonna do this project extension. Yeah. It is going on little by little. Yes, it is going on. And like I said before, we're doing 28, so we decided to tackle half of the project, then we can complete the other half, in the future. You never know. So this is it. Nowadays, two things have become very, very expensive, but once we've started, we're doing everything possible to bring it to completion. And that is it. So the work is still going on. The pigs, of course, they've increased to the extent that we have to, speed up so that we can bring some of them here and we can take some renovation in those projects. Take some renovation in the old pens because there's a lot of work that needs to be done. When you are taking any project, definitely you're gonna make some mistakes here and there. You're gonna make some errors here and there. And we are doing the corrections in the new pens so that when we move, we know that, hey, these things are not gonna happen again. And that is what we're doing. The feed also, the prices has increased, very expensive, but we have to keep feeding. We are looking forward, very soon we're gonna start selling. Yes, we're gonna start selling very soon, and we'll let you all know. If you are interested to buy, just leave us a comment and we will do our possible best to contact you. If you are a pig dealer, I understand people deals in pigs, whereby they come and buy from your farm and they sell it to the market women. You can connect with us and we will make availability and production for you as well, so that your business will go on. It is a lot of effort to make this happen, but we know that one day, we're gonna rip out of it. Right now, we are investing. We are putting the money in a pig stock exchange. We are investing. Very soon, we are going to start making money out of it. If you want to undertake such project, please be prepared. Be prepared. And if you think that financially you are not stable, you can start small. And little by little, you move up there. Guys, thank you so much once again for stopping by our channel. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscription button and also the notification button so that when we share anything, you'll be the first to know. Thank you all once again for stopping by. Together we can build, together we can make whatever we want to make, and that is very important for us. So watch out for our next video. Thank you guys. Bye.